Hello, everyone. Welcome to Melda 242. If you're here for the first time, I am Melda. You are welcome and God bless you. I'm preparing some chicken leg quarters today. Let's do it. I must greet my people right here. To my members, hello! God bless you. To my returning subscribers, God bless you. You are and forever will be my MVP. To my brand new subscribers, you are welcome and God bless you too. To those of you who just watching, and I know you are enjoying these videos, please consider subscribing. Join the membership and enjoy free perks today. God bless you and continue watching. Thank you for watching this video all the way to the end. If you have enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up, share it out, leave a comment. If you haven't subscribed us yet, please subscribe. And if you've just subscribed, welcome to the family. God bless you, and I'll see you in the next one.